strange, you know, that's kind of a metaphor of how my days have been feeling like, just over and over and over. I'm not going crazy. How are you guys doing? Welcome back, my whisk takers. Today, we're gonna make an awesome lemon blueberry tart. This recipe came from a website called zestfulkitchen.com. The wife, thank you Monica, found this one specifically. And yeah, Zestful Kitchen lives up to its name because here's a quarter cup of lemon zest. My kitchen smells of delightful lemons. Plus there's a half cup of lemon juice here ready to go as well. So like I said, lives up to its name. So if you guys got any cuts or, you know, little nicks on your nails, be aware right now that it might sting a little to make this guy. But let's jump right to it. Let's start with the dough.
So we'll start out by whisking an egg yolk, the cream, and vanilla together in a bowl. Process flour, powdered sugar, and salt in a food processor until combined. Scatter chilled butter over the top and pulse until mixture resembles coarse cornmeal, about 15 pulses. With process running, add egg yolk mixture and process until dough just comes together, about 12 seconds. Form dough into 6-inch disc, wrapping tightly in plastic wrap, and then refrigerate for about an hour. Let chilled dough sit on counter to soften slightly. Roll dough into 11-inch circle on lightly floured counter, loosely roll dough around rolling pin and gently unroll it onto a 9-inch tart pan with removable bottom.
Okay, here's the dough. That was a bit of a struggle, but it's okay because the pieces I would break off of the edge here, I would reuse to, if you could see, patch up any holes that were starting to show up there and ruin the party. So we're gonna let this freeze so it's nice and sturdy and holds together for about half an hour. Once that happens, we'll take it out and get the rest going. Let's go. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. The crust should be chilled and firm just enough. And what we're gonna do is take it out first step. Oh yeah, she's cold. And now what we're gonna do is double line the baking sheet and then cover the edges to prevent burning before we throw it in the oven. Okay, so I hope this is what they mean. See how I have that double foiled, double lined rather, and I folded the edges over the crust, or the edge of the crust so it doesn't burn. Now, the instructions say to put it in the oven at 375 for about 30 minutes or just golden brown. And in the meantime, let's get started with the lemon custard that's gonna go in the middle of the pie. So right in this guy for our custard, we're gonna start with our lemon juice, our 5 egg yolks, our 1 whole egg, and our 1/3 cup of honey. Ooh. Sorry, the smallest things entertain me, like watching this drip slowly. Anyways, and then our salt, not that much. So we're gonna whisk this on the stove here and let it reach a temperature of 166, 167. Okay, so here's the custard. We're gonna drop it down to this angle so you guys can see how I'm gonna mix in some butter. Okay, let's do this.
Off the heat, we're gonna whisk in the chilled butter until it's all melted. Once the melted butter is mixed in, we will strain the lemon curd through a mesh strainer into a bowl, then gently stir in the cream with a rubber spatula.
Hi guys, how you doing? Me? Man, I'm a mess. Let me tell you why. I forgot to add the lemon zest to the custard. I spent so much time zesting the lemons, I didn't do this. So what I'm gonna do is throw this back on the pan just to heat it and get it going. Hopefully it doesn't screw anything up. Second thing, I forgot to put the timer on the crust that's been baking. So I'm just gonna eye it until it's golden brown. It did say something about blind baking it, so I guess I'm blindly baking it now. So let's fix these couple layers. This bad boy is ready to go. It's gonna go on top of the, well, I can't speak today. On top of the crust pan that's in here, and let's get it out. But first, I got a new friend. You wanna come up? Come up. See, say hi. Hello. Say more than hello. I mean, yeah, say hi, hello. What are you guys up to? You know what your job is, right? No. It's to get the crust pan and all the other hot stuff. Hot stuff? Yeah, the hot stuff out of the oven there. Why me? That's what you were made for, man. That's life, you know? Are you sad? Yeah. Why are you sad? I have no teeth. Sure you do. Look at all these little bumps you have. Okay, alrighty then. I'm done. Should have gotten 2 puppets because I can't. Let me grab this better. Hold on. There we go. Okay. I don't know. The sides are a little brown. I can't. It smells good. I can't say that it's brown. Not like my skin brown. It's like I haven't been out in the sun brown. I'm gonna put it in for just a few more minutes. I want to be safe. I ain't trying to get us like sick dough. Oh, that almost fell over and I just burned my arm. You're not doing your job, puppet. 2 more minutes.
Okay, well, I don't know where Marbar went, but the oven just went off, so let's go see if the crust is ready.
Hey guys, that was me the whole time. Tricked ya. Anyways, let's put the lemon custard on top of this crust.
Pour the warm lemon curd into cooled tart crust. Process blueberries in the food processor about 2 minutes. Strain puree through a clean fine mesh strainer into a medium saucepan, pressing on solids to extract as much liquid as possible. Then add in your honey, sea salt, and cornstarch.
Okay, now that you saw that I mixed the cornstarch, honey, and blueberries all together, I'm gonna throw it on top here so it reaches a temperature of 170, 180, and then from there we're gonna throw in the remaining lemon juice that I have set aside here, okay? Okay, now that we have this guy on top of the crust pan, we're gonna throw, this is cooled by the way, I should have added that the crust pan, I did let it, the crust, I did let it cool down before I threw on the lemon custard on top. So now we're gonna throw this in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. All right, so the custard is just slowly heating up. In the meantime, our oven went off, and so I'm going to take the crust pan out, set it aside again to let it cool down before we throw on the blueberry custard. Okay, so temperature has risen to 180. I'm gonna throw in the remaining lemon juice in here, mix that up, nice and easy. It's got a cool looking, I don't know if you could even tell because of the lighting, but like a cool galaxy, holy, like a cool galaxy purple. Man, my last episode was all, half Spanish, half English, so I guess I just forgot how to speak full English. It happens. But anyways, here we go. As soon as the pie off to the side cools down enough, we're going to throw this guy on top, and then we're going to refrigerate it for about 2 hours. All right, so 2 things. The crust is chilled enough to put the blueberry custard. Second, I busted the crust there because my hand, I forgot. This is a cool tart pan that removes, see through the center. Oh, there goes a piece. But see, it's like super cool, right? But you gotta remember, that's what it does. Oh man, this whole thing is breaking apart. Hold on. Oh no. Presentation 1. Taste, we'll see. So right now, let me throw this galaxy jelly here on top of the lemon custard, and we'll throw it in the fridge to chill. All right, so sorry, I don't know. I don't mean to crack up. I'm just delusional, I guess. But here is, it looks cool, huh? Look at that. Ooh. Oh, whoa. I need to chill. Anyways, here it is, or what's left of it. So now we have to chill it in the fridge for another 2 hours so the top filling here can set and form into one nice delicious pie. So let's chill this, and I'll see you guys in about an hour or 2. I mean, I'll see you guys in like a second, but in real life, you know what I mean. Okay. Okay, 2 hours. Okay, it's been about 2 hours. Everybody's asleep. It's about 3 a.m. Pacific time, so I guess I'm gonna eat it by myself. Just kidding. Mom is here off to the side. The little guy is asleep. It is late here right now. But look at this. Isn't she pretty? Wow, that's cool. Except for all that right here. Aside that, it's probably one of the prettiest looking pies I've made yet. So that's nice. Here is an inside look. She's pretty. So you've got like this opaque dark blueberry custard up top, and then the lemon there in the middle, and then lastly the crust. So mommy, come on in.
I didn't want to get my pajamas, so I had to squeeze it.
Oh, I thought you were trying to hide this guy. Oh, she's wearing PJs. Like I've said, it's late here. It's like 4 a.m., which is why we're going to split one slice here before we're off to bed. Just kidding, we're going to stream because the kid is asleep. Here it is, lemon blueberry tart.
It's beautiful.
Is it?
Yeah.
Even the the lack
it's
of
so pretty.
edges.
This purple color is so nice, it matches my ring.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of lemon.
Whoa! Yeah.
That kind of hit me after a second. I don't taste a lot of blueberry.
That's all the purple. It's
I
there.
think there's just so much lemon.
Definitely a lot of lemon. The lemon custard obviously is lemon. And then the blueberry also has lemon juice. So unless you like it more powering sourness from the lemon,
Sour.
I would probably take the lemon juice out of the blueberry puree here on top. I mean, I love it. I love the almost make you pucker up type of sour.
I think it's too sour.
Mom thinks it's too sour.
It needs something to balance it out. Like maybe if the crust was thicker. I don't know what balances out lemon. I'm not good at this, but I like have the urge to just eat crust. Like between or maybe take a drink or something. It's too sour for me.
I like it.
Candy.
It's like candy.
Kind of.
I can't stop eating it. Oh shoot.
Yeah, it's messy. Maybe once it's in the fridge overnight, though, tomorrow it'll be a little firmer.
Tomorrow is right now because it's like 6 a.m. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, or dislike, whichever one you feel. If you didn't like this, dislike the video. Anyways, let me know, guys, below in the comments what you'd like me to attempt next
Did you tell
week.
them this was my idea?
I did.
Okay.
I did. I said you found it on the website and sent it to me, and I thanked you. So anyways, thank you guys. We'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.